53 more cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed by the Department of Public Health, bringing the total count to 820 cases of coronavirus since the first cases were reported on March 15th. In all, 1,075 samples have been evaluated by the agency this weekend. The volume of active cases has now surpassed the number of recoveries, with 419 people in active isolation and 394 Guamanians having been released from isolation. 7 deaths have occurred, and 16 people are currently hospitalized. Guam remains in pandemic condition of readiness 1, with the maximum restriction lockdown in effect this week, as per Governor Lou Leon-Guerrero's executive order. On that note, the Guam Regional Medical City Hospital has announced that a pair of its staffers have tested positive for coronavirus. The private hospital did confirm the employees have been placed in quarantine and that contact tracing determined that the infections were from outside sources, not within GRMC. The areas where the employees work, the hospital stated, are being properly sanitized and disinfected, and that the process will be completed by Monday and will not cause any disruption in medical service. Back to the governor, she has written the legislature agreeing with the Guam Election Commission that the August 29th primary election should be canceled. However, the statutory authority to call it off lies with the Guam legislature. The GEC's board of directors unanimously agreed, as a result of the surge in cases and health and safety considerations, that the primary be canceled and that all candidates be placed on the ballot for the general election in November. They are recommending that if island leaders decide the primary move forward, that it be postponed until September the 12th. The GEC, however, stresses they will need the help of the governor's office to address shortfalls, such as the need in ensuring there is a backup generator at the tabulation center at the University of Guam Fieldhouse in Mingilao, along with adequate security, and address transportation needs for the ballots themselves. From Tamuning, Guam's finest are investigating an officer-involved shooting around 1:15 Saturday morning in Perrisville. Police were attempting to stop a Toyota van when it accelerated towards 2 officers as they were exiting a patrol car. One of the officers fired at the vehicle, which reportedly tried to ram them. 41-year-old Susan Smith was arrested for reckless driving, aggravated assault, assault on a police officer, and eluding a police officer. Her passenger, 20-year-old Elijah Borja, was also arrested for an outstanding warrant. No one was injured in the shooting. For the time being, the officer who discharged his weapon was placed on leave pending the results of an administrative investigation by GPD's Internal Affairs Division. In sports news, Guam's own Trevin Jones represented the 671 and came away with a win in mixed martial arts' biggest stage, as the man known as 5-Star got a second-round TKO to defeat Timur Valeli in UFC Fight Night on ESPN. This brings Jones' MMA record to 13-6, and you want to make sure to stream us on the link on Monday, as 5-Star will be joining our Chris and Sabrina to talk about his big victory. Congratulations, Trev. And in other news about Guamanians on a big stage, let's go out to South Bend, Indiana, where we send an island-sized congratulations to Ethan Garcia as he earned a spot on the world-famous Fighting Irish's marching band for Notre Dame University. Now, fittingly, Ethan is a recent graduate of Notre Dame High School over in Talafofo. He'll be waking up the echoes in the near future and wearing the blue and gold, but always having Guam's colors, of course, in his heart. Ethan, we're all proud of you. Please stay safe. Congratulations to you and your family once again, and have a great time in college.